approximation and the error bound. Here in this particular video, I'll just use the Simpson's rule to find the approximation and the error bound. The Simpson's rule is, let me write it down for you for your better understanding. So Simpson's rule is error bound B. Suppose this is the bound B and A of fx dx, and the rule is h by 3 f x0 plus 4 f x1 plus f x2. So here h is the difference of the bounds and their average. x0 is A, the lower bound. x1 is the average of the two bounds. I mean, it is A plus B. And x2 is the upper bound, which is B. All you have to do is just use the equation, use the values and plug in the equation. And the error bound formula for the Simpson rule is E equals to absolute value of h to the power 5 by 90 of derivative of 4 of the constant alpha. Okay, now we will use these formulas to find the approximation and the error bound. Let's take an example. Find the approximation and error bound of using Simpson's rule. All right, so here we have h is equals to 1.5 minus 1 by 2, which is giving you 0.25. Your x0 here is 1. x1 is the average of that, which is 1.5 plus 1 by 2. That gives you 1.25, and x2 is the upper bound, which is 1.5. Now plugging in the equation, you have the equation given to you is a 1.5 and 1 of x squared ln x dx, and that gives you 0.25 by 3 if you can see the equation so that you know how I'm plugging the values. Yeah, so 2.5, see, 2.5 by 3. Now my fx1 is x0 is a 1, so plugging in the equation here, so that gives you 1 square and ln 1 plus 4 of the formula, and x1, so your x1 is 1.25. Plug this 1.25 into x, that gives you 1.25 square and then ln 1.25 plus your f2 is 1.25 here. Take this 1.25 into fx2, which is you need to plug this, replace this x by the value of 1.25 here. That gives you 1.5 square ln 1.5. That's it. Now if you just calculate them, using the calculator, you'll see the value you get. Whatever is the value you get, that is your approximate thing. So I can just take this in the calculator. So it is giving me 0.40 something, so 0.401651. So that is your approximation of this equation using the Simpson's rule. So find the error method here. Now you know that you need to find the derivative, integration of up to the power 4. So you have fx, which is x squared ln x. Find f1x, I mean the first derivative, which is giving you 2x ln x plus x. Find the second derivative, which is giving you 2 ln x plus 3. Find the third one, and find the fourth one. Now plug this into the error bound formula, which is E equals to h to the power 5 by 90, and for okay. Now if you plug in there, that gives you 0.25 to the power 5. You have to use the sign less than greater than by 90 minus 2 by 1 square, and that gives you 2.17014 times 10 to the power negative 5. That's your error bound of this equation. So this is how you find the approximation and the error bound using Simpson's rule in numerical method.